Welcome to WordCraft. Today, we're learning 5 simple compound words you can use every day. Let's get started. Rain and coat come together to make raincoat. A raincoat is a waterproof coat you wear to stay dry in the rain. For example, she wore her raincoat to stay dry in the storm. Tooth and brush come together to make toothbrush. A toothbrush is a small brush used to clean your teeth. For example, he brushed his teeth with a new toothbrush. Tea and pot come together to make teapot. A teapot is a pot used to brew and pour tea. For example, she poured hot tea from the teapot into her cup. Skate and board come together to make skateboard. A skateboard is a board with wheels that you ride on for fun or tricks. For example, he practiced tricks on his skateboard at the park. Sand and box come together to make sandbox. A sandbox is a box or area filled with sand where kids can play. For example, the kids built castles in the sandbox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun vocabulary lessons. See you next time on WordCraft.